I'm ready, Freddie.
Hello, everybody. I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera, as always, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, take it away. Oh, my Lord.
Well, now that we're in here,
This is the driving portion.
yeah,
Oh, good, the windows are down.
it's a little snowy, so we're not actually going to go anywhere.
No.
We're just going to start up this Trans Am and put it down to our building and then do our walk around.
It's a Pontiac Firebird Esprit.
Yes, we're going to drive it on a
Pretty good.
clear day. Yeah, I got it. Oh, listen to it.
And it's chilly, folks.
Yeah, it's, what, 27 degrees, something like that?
It feels like 12. Here we go. Wonder how fast we can go. Just kidding. Back in my day, we put studded tires in these bad boys and drove them anyway. Oh, the PT Cruiser. What a lovely car.
Yeah, this one's a little bit spicy to be driving, even with studded tires.
Those are so much fun, though.
I think this is supposed to be like over 500 horsepower.
Well, I wouldn't doubt it, because it's Holley fuel injected. We got the headers. It's a 455. It came 335 horse, but
Well, it's not
it's
anymore.
definitely not anymore.
Well, this was, we're trying to look it up. We'll need to find the website, but it was built by some Firebird shop down in Florida.
Beautiful Florida. Sunny Florida.
Yeah,
There's no snow in Florida. The only snow they got is cocaine.
go that way a little bit more.
This way?
Yeah, right here's fine.
All right.
All right, you want to do a walk around?
Let's do it.
All
Should we
right.
keep the car running?
No, we'll turn it off.
All right.
We'll start it up again, though.
I love starting it up. Okay, hi, I'm Christopher. The guy behind the camera is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. And this is a 1973 Pontiac Esprit. So this car originally came with a 400 with a 2-barrel, 170 horsepower, but this car has got a 455 in it. This 455 came with 335 horsepower. However, someone fiddled with the engine a wee bit. They put headers on it, they put a Holley Sniper on it, and it is just a running car with this beautiful slate green. They got the little Trans Am pieces on it. It's got the shaker hood. It's got the beautiful black vinyl. It is a pretty car. I really like it. I love the 17-inch year one. What are these, year ones? Repops? I love the Honeycomb. I mean, look at them. 17-inch all the way around. Brand new tires, by the way. Gotta love brand new tires in a car. Look at the slate green. Isn't it nice?
Yeah, the color is beautiful. I also love the exhaust.
Oh, yeah.
The dual exhaust out the back. I love the taillights on this year Firebird and the little, the integrated spoiler.
It's my
It's kind
favorite.
of molded into the trunk lid, which is awesome.
Love
You have the
this
key,
car.
right?
It's in the old starter, in the old ignition. Let's pop that bad boy trunk. Oh, it's got power windows.
Oh yeah, I forgot to mention power windows. They're right there in the middle.
Gotta love power windows.
Look at that. Also a very nice dashboard.
Oh my God, look at this trunk. It's so deep and plush. It's got a big real spare tire, not one of those fake little donut guys.
Full-size spare, floor mats back here. Nice trunk mat. Looks like you have the tool under there.
Yep.
Underside is nicely painted.
And you see right here, well, where is it? There. And you can feel it right there. That's where you put the jack.
Oh really?
Yes, it is. I only know it because I've had to jack many a car up. Old car in the day. Oh.
Very
Body
nice.
by Fisher. You gotta love Fisher.
Nice door panels. Yeah, body by Fisher down there on the door sill.
Man, I love this
Very
car.
nice. I love the dashboard in these things.
It's cool. It's early 70s. You gotta love it.
That pattern on it is just awesome. I love the steering wheel in this one. You also have nice gauges, which is awesome, and a tack.
Yes, it does have a tack.
Nice radio down there as well. We do have a tack, which is
It's important.
nice
It's important.
in your Firebird, especially when you have an automatic. You don't really need it that much, but
It's cool.
still nice to have. And yeah, 455 HO.
It is nice. Again, started out 335 horse, but it's a wee bit tuned up.
Yeah,
So it's putting out a
TH400
little
transmission, slate green, as we've said many a time. Beautiful color.
more. I love this color.
Oh, it has factory air conditioning.
Isn't that nice?
It is nice.
It is have factory air, power steering, power brakes, and it starts up lovely with the fuel injection, even when it's feels like 10.
Yeah. You want to start it up here?
Oh,
let me take
shall
your,
I?
Let me take your mic so I can get some good exhaust
Here's
noise
the
from the back.
microphone.
It's not quiet. Give it some good revs to be on. That's what I'm talking about. You want to just putz it around the parking lot real quick? He's going to putz it. Yeah, as you can see, we can't really drive it today. The roads are still in bad condition and there's a lot of snow. And we like this car too much. And it sounds so good. Oh, and the taillights work. It's always a nice touch.
And the horn works.
I was just telling the people we're obviously not going to drive this today, but we will drive it when it's nicer outside.
And we'll just do an addendum.
Yeah, I know.
I love addendums.
But this has been the walk around. We wanted to let you guys hear it too and see it move.
It does move.
It definitely it moves. It more than moves, but
it does. But not today. It's just too icy and snowy.
We need to wait for the snow piles and the salt trucks and the roads to clear up.
It's so cool.
I know.
And the heater works.
All right, well, I guess we'll just sign off.
Hello, everybody, and goodbye.
And goodbye.